I bought this FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine about 8 months ago to prepare for our 6-month sailing voyage, provisioned for 6 months. So I bought this to preserve all the food. I used it for nuts, dried fruits and grains like almonds, cashews, walnuts, pistachios, pecans, dried bananas, pineapples, apples, mangoes, strawberries, dates, and blueberries and raspberries, rice, quinoa, oatmeal, pasta, chocolate chips, and all my flours. All the food has stayed fresh. It's been about 9 months since I sealed them. We're down to the last bit of food, and we have stayed bug-free on the boat, which is a big plus in the humid environment that we've been in because of these bags and getting rid of all of the containers that the food come in. It's easy to use. It comes with a lot of different size bags and this roll that you can cut and make your own size bags. I spent probably a week or two vacuum sealing all of the food that we brought. It held up 4 to 8 hours of me vacuum sealing food. Highly recommend it for anyone that wants to preserve food, save food prep, or provision for a long journey on your boat. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.